Do you believe that it's possible to create professional, studio-looking white background photography like this without any of the professional equipment or studio? Well, of course, the answer is yes. And I'm gonna show you guys right now how I just barely did this, all in the comfort of my own home. But first, don't you just love when you get that package on the doorstep that you've been looking for, you've been waiting for? This is coming in great anticipation of a new product launch at Clover Tree Apothecary, our CBD facial serums and products. And we've been waiting on this product, but the problem was I actually had to do the photography for it today. Like, I had one day to do it, like only a couple hour window to do it because I'm leaving town tomorrow and I had to get this done so we can get this to our customers, etc. The problem I was faced with was the studio. By the time it came towards the end of this day right now, all the lighting, I use natural lighting when I shoot in my studio, was gone. The sun is over on the other side of my house. So I went to the other side of my house and I'm standing right now in my bathroom and I'm like, okay, the lighting in here is awesome. So let me shoot it in here. And then I see this thing right here.
Didn't really realize this before, but a bathtub makes the cleanest white flat lay photography.
So yeah, I'm sitting in my bathtub now, AKA photo studio. This is something that excellent for flat lay, but also for an actual white background stand-up photo for a website, for your Amazon page, for whatever you're trying to use it for. Using a bathtub is actually pretty awesome because there's a curved background. There's a ton of these walls, all these walls right here. These are gonna let a lot of light bounce into the product and it's gonna create a beautiful photo with very light amount of editing. If you're not an editor, don't worry. There's a lot of apps out there. How do I edit a white background photo? How do you guys do your research, search on YouTube. There's a lot of ways to edit these photos or send it off to someone else to be edited. But you guys, you can get the photos yourself. I was in a pinch. I just created this solution to actually pull this off. But if you're not in a pinch and you want a professional studio, you guys, look, maybe the bathroom is the thing that you can create professional photography in. Whether it be flat lay, whether it be white background photo, whatever you need to do, I think you just have to kind of roll with those punches, get those creative juices flowing and figure out solutions. Stop making excuses of why you can't create professional photos in your business. But you guys, that is today's episode. The other thing is, you know, I was using these different like plants and herbs and stuff like that within these photos. And I love that I can just like turn that sink on at the end of this and create a quick cleanup for my setup. So you guys, that's today's episode. Go ahead and like this if you like this content. Comment for the community. And if you really, really, really care, go ahead and share this. Thanks, guys.